Hello, this is Exchange Playbook. Today, I'll show you how to sign up for OKX, one of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges. First, to get started, make sure you use a sign-up link with a trading fee discount. You'll find a link in the video description below that offers a 20% trading fee rebate. Please click that link to continue. Once the page loads, you should see a message showing a 20% fee discount. Make sure this discount is displayed before moving on. Scroll down and select your country. Click Confirm to proceed. On the sign-up page, you'll see a referral code section. If you open it, you'll notice the code is already applied and confirms a 20% kickback. Now enter your email address and click Sign Up. A 6-digit verification code will be sent to your email. Enter the code to continue. Next is phone number verification. Enter your phone number, receive the verification code, and enter it. Then click Next. Now create your password. Your password must be at least 8 characters long and include uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Once completed, click Next. This screen is for biometric login, such as fingerprint authentication. For now, we'll skip this by tapping X. Your account has now been created, but you still need to complete KYC verification. To do this, please download the OKX app. After logging in on the app, you'll see a puzzle verification screen. Tap the images in the correct order to solve the puzzle. You'll receive another verification code on your phone. Enter the code to complete login. On the main screen, tap Get Verified to start the KYC process. Tap Verify Now. Confirm your country and tap Next. Choose your ID type: driver's license, ID card, or passport. Available verification methods may vary depending on your country or region, so please select the identification method supported in your location. Tap Start Verification and capture the front side of your ID. Then capture the back side using the same method. Next is face verification. Make sure your face is not covered and remove any glasses, masks, or hats. Follow the on-screen instructions, such as blinking or moving closer to the camera. After face verification, tap Continue to provide additional information. Confirm your nationality and personal details, then tap Next. This completes your KYC verification. Next, let's set up important security settings. From the main screen, tap the menu icon and go to your profile. Select Security, then tap Authenticator app. Tap Setup Now and complete the verification steps, including puzzle verification and email and phone confirmation. You'll see a 16-digit security key on the screen. Copy this key. Open Google Authenticator and tap Enter a setup key. Enter OKX as the account name, paste the copied key, and save it. Finally, enter the generated one-time password into the OKX app. Your security setup is now complete. If this video helped you, give it a like and check the description for useful links. Thanks for watching and see you next time.